Apple might be about to take your iPhone experience out of this world. Well, almost. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is reportedly planning major upgrades to its satellite capabilities, turning your iPhone into a more powerful lifeline than ever before. Messages via satellite, which was launched last year, lets users send texts in areas without cellular service. But Apple apparently isn't stopping there. The company is said to be exploring the ability to send photos via satellite, a game changer for anyone stuck in the middle of nowhere and desperate to share what they see. And that's just the start. Rumors suggest Apple's also working on 5G NTN support, which could let cell towers get a boost from satellites extending coverage to previously unreachable spots. Even Apple Maps could get a satellite boost, letting users navigate remote areas with no Wi-Fi or signals. Gurman also hinted at natural usage improvements that would allow iPhones to maintain satellite connections without pointing them skyward. That means no more awkwardly angling your phone like a tiny space telescope. And for developers, Apple's making a satellite API that will open door for apps to harness the network. This could unlock new possibilities for everything, from messaging and navigation to emergency services directly from your hand. Well, Apple hasn't shared a timeline for these updates, but as emergency SOS via satellite was launched in 2022, it took until iOS 18 for messages via satellite to follow. If these new features arrive on a similar schedule, iPhone users can have these soon. Your iPhone might not literally leave Earth, but soon it could feel like it has. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update.